Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will explore the concept of how to calculate the flange chord length, or flange hole-to-hole distance. We will cover these topics in more detail in the upcoming slides. Next, we will understand how to calculate the flange chord length or flange hole-to-hole distance. Next, the following formula calculates the flange chord length or flange hole-to-hole distance. The chord length, or flange hole-to-hole distance, is equal to the pitch circle diameter of the flange multiplied by the sine of 360 divided by 2 into n, where PCD is the pitch circle diameter of the flange in millimeter. N is the number of holes in the flange. C is the chord length of the flange in millimeter. Next, how to calculate the flange chord length or flange hole-to-hole distance. According to the provided images, the data measures PCD 350 mm and 8 holes in the specified blind flange. Next, the formula is used to calculate the chord length is: the chord length, or flange hole-to-hole distance, is equal to the pitch circle diameter of the flange multiplied by the sine of 360 divided by 2 into n. The given data are: PCD is the pitch circle diameter of the flange, 350 mm. N is the number of holes, 8. Next, we will get the chord length. Apply the given data in the above equation. Next, the chord length is equal to 350, multiplied by the sine of 360 divided by 2 into 8. Next, chord length, C, is equal to 350 multiplied by the sine of 22.5. Therefore, the obtained chord length, C, is 133.94 millimeters. We hope these explanations help you understand how to calculate the chord length of the flange or flange hole-to-hole distance. Don't forget to subscribe to our MBS Engineering channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.